continuous allocation of a same integer or a same data type to a various couples of variables. As I told you, like basically first of all I have to make our skeleton. And as till I made a skeleton, please subscribe this channel guys. And I have said कि like a basic skeleton, if we consider there is A, B, C, D, we make easily C in A, C in B, C in C, C in D, because there is only around 2, 3, 4, 5 variables. But if you if I said please make like if I said to Rajiv, please make 100 variables and assign the values, and I said ki there is a int they all are integer, so does it require to make a variable one by one? Is it possible guys? Do you think it? No. Like why we do such type of work? If there is something we call smart work, why do we prefer hard work? So at that time our array came into the concept, like we have make a contiguous similar data type array, like their initialize is like I initialize it like this, like we add and we say there is 5, and we make in such a way 100 of we make 100 storage by using such type of thing. And as I mentioned, there is a array 5. Now what we can easily do, we can easily do like C in array 0, C in array 1, C in array 2, C in array 4, C in array 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically in the basic array representation of 5 is their basic index is 0. As I show in the above figure, you see that there is a basic representation of the array. And if I do, now we see out only array 3. What is this? Let's see the result. And now I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see array 3, and we make a array 3 and there is a 5 is printed. So guys, in this way the arrays work. Now if I say ki I change the array 3 as 15 or 12 something, so I basically assign it, and now I just give a input of some variables. Now it's printed array 3 as a 12. If I say please add it 12, then if I now use like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's now 17. So in this way our array is working. Like in the similar way we make a long array. Matlab, the array is that contiguous memory allocation in which we have take a similar data type. All things have a similar data type. If I say कि you have considered a decimal value in the integer array, then that decimal value is get terminated and you can only get a integer value. So that's why if you use a decimal value, then you consider a float array or a double array, and if you use an integer value, then make an integer array. And in the similar way you can, and there is a contiguous memory allocation. If I say there is a contiguous memory allocation, as the previous video you see in that diagram, there is a contiguous memory allocation. And now I say it's about a 1D array, and it's only a basic. We already came so far around 40 to 55 videos about array, ki how our array work and what are we make the array suitable to us in coding with C++. So make sure you are with this channel, bro. Now there is a 2D array. 2D array is similar like 1D array, like we only just one thing, like there is a 3 or 4. Like now there is a 3 rows and 4 columns, and in the similar way as I doing the previous, in that similar way now we also utilize the 2D array. So I not going too much depth. We already discussed about 2D array in the further videos in future. Little about I will talk about strings. String, like as you see, string we make a gyan, like I assign string as a gyan. As a gyan portal I assign the string, and if I say please see out S0, now what is the result? So it's G. So do you think कि our string is also act like an array? There is a S0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like if I make it is S dot length -1, and then I use and then I run the code again. As you see, now L is printed because v dot s minus length -1. So guys, this is how our array and basic string we work, and we discuss about the basic concept of the array and string. In further videos we going in a depth knowledge about that. But before going to that videos, I say must subscribe this channel, share this video, and होप बने रहिए हमारे साथ ज्ञान पोर्टल के साथ, और फिर से एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ नए वीडियोस के साथ मिलते हैं।